Hey guys, it's Mr. Couch. Welcome to our first online lesson. I'm sorry that we are not in the building today. I miss you guys coming in with all your great goofy energy, and hopefully this will just be a short break from being at Fletcher Middle and we'll get right back to where we belong. So, before I get into anything, please don't stress over this. This is, it's different. This happened very quickly, and we're going to do the best we can. And that's all I am looking for from you is to do the very best you can. If it works out, awesome. If it's a disaster, no worries. I got your back. We will make this work. Absolutely no stress, please. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how you're going to take care of today's assignment and go from there. So what I'm actually going to start with is something that you may have already found in Teams, which is the attendance quiz. So the easiest way for me to have an accurate record of attendance is sending out a daily attendance quiz. There'll be one for each school day, and all you have to do is log in, select an answer, hit submit, and move on. Now, don't worry about right here, you can see it's worth 100 points. It's not worth any points at all. I just need to know that you're out there, that you're working, and that you understand what's happening. The quiz is going to be open every day from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can take it at any time. It does not have to be taken during our class period time. It could be taken, at 9 o'clock in the morning. If you're awake and you're on the computer or your phone, log in, take the attendance. And that's one less thing that you have to mess with. After 4 o'clock, you will not be able to take the attendance quiz. That gives me 15 minutes to look at all the classes, get the results into focus before the end of my workday. So every day it'll be something different, but today I just wanted to keep it more based on how this thing works. I wanted to put more directions in it. Friday, it will be something a little goofier, a little more my style. So that's that. So I'm going to jump over to Teams. And if you're watching this video, you already found this in Teams. So the thing I point out that I want to stress is, yes, I am so glad that you are trying to keep track and keep up with your computer class. I hope you guys love this class. However, your most important classes are ELA, math, science, and social studies. Always. That's always way more important. Okay? So, if you are struggling over the next week, like my voice is struggling right there, please spend your time on your core classes. And you and I will sort out a plan to how to get you back on track with my class. So, if you've got a problem today, you can email me. Friday, I'm going to have a live meeting, and that's just going to be a help session. So if you're able to create your account today, that I'm going to show you how to do in a second, and you don't have any questions, then you're good. You do not need to show up for the help session. However, if this video is not helpful, then please come to the help session on Friday. There will be a live meeting starting at 9:30. You can pop in, ask your question. We can make sure we get it working for you, and then you can leave the meeting and go to work. So scrolling down a little bit, it tells you you're going to be creating an account for typing.com. Now, some of you guys are familiar with this. You've played the games, the typing games on there, or some of you may have accounts from older classes. So we're going to create an account today. The first step, hopefully, you're watching this video right now, and to be honest, this is not the correct video link because I'm currently still recording the video. Oh my gosh, I should have grabbed some water. It's been a busy day, a little stressful on our end. Sorry if I'm losing my voice over here. So you'll watch the video. After you watch the video, come right back to this page and you're going to click on this link right here. Now here's the thing, I haven't hit send yet because I don't want to post this in Teams just yet. So it actually won't let me jump from here to this link. It should, by holding Control and clicking on this, you should be able to get that to work. If you can't, you can do what I'm doing. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to hold Control and C one time, and that copies it. I'm going to go over here to Chrome. I'm going to pop it in there. And voila, there we go. Now, even though some of you have an existing account, I'd actually prefer you to create a new account that's going to put us all on the same page here. All right, usernames. I am going to prefer that you don't pick your own username this time. I'm going to need you to type in your first and last name. Okay. Now, odds are for a lot of you, somebody has already used your name, so you're not going to be able to use it. So maybe put a number behind it, right? But I do need to be able to match your username to the grade book, all right? Because you will be graded on this throughout the entire school year. We're going to be using typing.com. And I need an easy way to give you a grade for your hard work. So please create a username that has your first and last name in it. If you don't need a number, you're good. If you need the number, please add it. So your password, I would like, and I'm going to click show right here. I would like you to use, let me just pick some random numbers there. So for me, this would be my DCPS password. So capital C, I was born on the 15th, a lowercase c, and then those last four numbers of your, it's usually your student ID number or your social security number, one of those. But use the DCPS password that we always use. Please do not put an email in there. It's optional, you definitely can, but they're going to send you emails that you don't want. And then congratulations, all of you are now 13 years old. So proud of y'all. So click that and hit sign up. So there we go. So all of us are going to start in the beginner section. And if you click start, it's going to go from the oh, wow. He's going to, so he's going to talk.
Press the P key. To skip the video, press enter.
My gosh, can I get him to? So
it's time to learn the J key.
Oh my gosh, I need to silent him.
Finger to type the J key.
Okay, so I'm not sure if you could hear him talking through the video, but it was distracting to me. Here's what I love about this website, and at first it's going to be so slow. It's going to seem like kindergarten stuff. All right, but if you look at the picture, it's actually showing you the proper place to put your fingers. Now, I love NitroType, but NitroType doesn't actually teach you how to type. So this one's going to. So it says type the J.
You found it?
Oh,
remember
found it.
The J key is because we're going to practice it now.
Okay.
Press enter to begin.
So you can press enter and just continue from there. So if I back up a little bit, this should take me, okay. This will take me back to kind of the basic screen. So for today, for Thursday, my goal is two goals. One, I want you to create the account, right? If you're able to create the account over here, I think this should keep a track of how much time you have typed. But let's just try to get through the JF and space exercises. And I believe as you work through this, these things fill up and we'll go from there. Now, I don't know how long this is going to take us, and some of us are going to do this faster than others. But I think that's a good goal for today. Make the account and then work through the J, F, and space bar. Again, if by time you get it to work, it is time for you to go to a different class or you need to do achieves, that is the most important thing that you can do. So I'm going to pull up the calendar here. So it's Wednesday night. You'll be watching this tomorrow morning, Thursday, or afternoon, depending on what time you have my class. Again, if it works, awesome. If it doesn't work, go back and watch the video. And if I made a mistake, send me an email. Let me know, hey, on our end, it looks a little different. But if you've got questions, if things just don't work, instead of getting frustrated or stressed out, right here, Friday, the 27th, I will be holding a live meeting, and that meeting will be posted in Teams. You can show up, say, hey, Mr. Couch, I do not get it. Can you help me out? And I will work with the people that are struggling to get this account made. All right. So I hope you guys have a good day. Stress-free, drama-free, no worries. I miss you goofy people. You goofy ones, you know which ones out there I'm talking about. So enjoy it. You can wear flip-flops today. You can eat nachos in the middle of my class if you want to. No worries. And love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.